We begin by harvesting high-quality wheat, which is the foundation of our pizza dough. This ensures the dough is rich in texture and perfectly chewy.
Fresh, high-quality milk is collected from the farm to make our mozzarella cheese, ensuring smooth, melty cheese on every pizza.
Fresh, ripe tomatoes are harvested to create the perfect pizza sauce. These tomatoes will give our sauce a rich, natural flavor.
Mushrooms, fresh from the farm, are picked to provide an earthy flavor that complements the pizza toppings.
Green peppers are harvested and prepared for topping, providing a crunchy, vibrant addition to the pizza. The harvested wheat is transported to the factory, where it will be ground into flour for the pizza dough.
The tomatoes are carefully transported to maintain their freshness for the sauce preparation. Our mozzarella cheese is transported in refrigerated trucks to preserve its quality until it reaches the production line. Pepperoni is carefully transported to ensure it remains fresh for our pizza toppings.
The mushrooms are delivered promptly to ensure their freshness for our pizza toppings.
Freshly harvested green peppers are delivered to the factory, ready to be added to the pizza.
Once the wheat arrives at the factory, it undergoes a thorough inspection to ensure it's with the highest quality. The tomatoes are sorted and inspected to ensure only the best ones are used in our pizza sauce. The cheese is carefully inspected to ensure it meets our high standards for smooth, creamy mozzarella.
Tomatoes are thoroughly washed to remove any dirt or pesticides before being turned into our pizza sauce. The wheat is washed to remove any impurities before being processed into flour for pizza dough.
Cheese is cleaned to remove any excess surface debris before being processed further. Pepperoni undergoes a cleaning process to ensure no excess fat or impetosities remain before it's sliced.
Mushrooms are cleaned to remove any dirt or debris before being prepared for pizza.
Green peppers are washed to remove any residues before being sliced for the pizza.
The wheat is milled into fine flour, which will serve as the base for our pizza dough.
The tomatoes are cooked to create a rich, flavorful sauce that forms the base of the pizza. The dough is stretched into the perfect pizza shape, ready to hold all the delicious toppings. The mozzarella cheese is mixed to ensure it has a smooth and consistent texture.
The pepperoni is sliced thinly for even distribution across the pizza. Mushrooms are sliced into thin pieces, ready to be placed on the pizza for that perfect bite.
The green peppers are sliced into uniform pieces, ensuring a crisp texture on every slice.
The pizzas are baked in a high-temperature oven, ensuring the dough is crispy and the toppings are perfectly cooked.
As the pizza moves through the oven, the dough crisps up and the cheese melts to a golden perfection. After baking, the pizza moves to a cooling station to lower its temperature before packaging.
Meet its iterations. The pizza is now sliced into perfect portions. Each pizza is inspected to ensure it meets the highest standards for size, toppings, and overall appearance. Once quality is confirmed, the pizza is packaged securely to preserve its freshness until it reaches the customer.
The pizza packaging is heat sealed to ensure it remains fresh and protected during transport.
Each pizza box receives a clear, branded label indicating its contents, expiration date, and freshness.
The labeled pizzas are then carefully stacked onto pallets, ready for shipment to distributors. The pizzas are stored in a cold storage facility, maintaining the ideal temperature to preserve freshness until shipment.
When it's time for shipment, the pallets are retrieved from cold storage and prepared for delivery to customers. The pizzas are loaded onto trucks for delivery to various retail locations, ensuring they stay fresh for consumers.
Packed and ready, the trucks head out to deliver the pizzas to stores, bringing them one step closer to consumers.
We perform shelf life tests to ensure the pizza maintains its quality during its journey to customers and beyond.
Pizzas undergo a final inspection to remove any that do not meet our strict quality standards. Any pizzas that do not meet our high standards are removed from the line for disposal or rework, ensuring only the best reach our customers.
Final heat treatment ensures the pizza remains safe and ready for consumption, eliminating any potential contaminants.
Each packaged pizza undergoes a final check to ensure it meets strict standards before heading out to stores.
Once the pizzas are placed in their boxes, they are sealed tightly to preserve freshness and ensure no contamination during transport. The pallets of pizzas are wrapped securely in plastic film, protecting them during the journey from the factory to stores.
The packaged pizzas are stored in a cold environment to maintain their freshness until they are ready to be shipped. Pizzas are organized and stored in optimal conditions to ensure they stay fresh and easy to retrieve when needed. The pizzas are moved from storage to the shipping dock, ready for their final journey to stores and restaurants.
Pallets of pizzas are loaded onto trucks, ensuring secure delivery to various retailers and restaurants. To ensure safe delivery, the pizza boxes are securely strapped within the truck, preventing damage during transit.
Once at the store, the pizzas are carefully stocked on the shelves, ready for customers to take home.